Just finished film this our brother on when they catch for Scotland. Me I leave her. I say me I quick drop this video. This our one of our sister from Anna Brano be the talk. They say they just her husband just fire. They say her husband fire. There nobody to talk. Is sometimes I will say some of our brother today some of our brother body today hot. Some of our family body today hot. Some of our family today arch. Sometimes it's good. Welcome to Naija Daughter TV. If today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please guys do where to subscribe. Yeah, join this beautiful family. We're full of love. We're full of, join. If you like what we do here, you can join. But if you not like, no problem. Okay, because once you subscribe, I need a subscriber who go they come my channel to come watch, because that watch and view it is very important. Yes, this our beautiful sister when they say her husband he came from Oka, yes, Anambra State. Anambra State, from Anambra State. Now they say the man, now the woman, they went her husband buy am. What did they say her husband buy am for? They say the lady asked her husband, say, please give me money. May I take buy bread for children? Then her husband can't say money no day. As her husband can't say money no day, she can't choose go buy children bread when children want eat. Then as he buy am, she can't go drop am for kitchen. Maybe one thing, say mother. Now make sometimes when you write mother, she not attend to you or she not write you. Or if you read the important, write her back, remind her. You can open somebody chat now. One thing will take you out of that thing. You understand? Because you are a mother. Your children finish out now, you drop phone. Then they can say this lady, she dropped her bread for kitchen. She dropped the bread for kitchen. Then she go do another thing. Okay, when she want to make use of the bread, maybe she don't prepare what you want, give the children with the bread. Her husband don't chop her. Now she can't ask her husband, why you chop her? Maybe argument. They say her husband just start to the beat her till she die. Then when she come die now, she know who inform the girl parents. She know who inform the girl parents. Then he just starts. He dey make arrangement to Nigeria. Will say, now me go use my hand. If I kill you, they here to voice for you. Who they here to stand for you? Who they here to talk for you? Some men they are like that. Some people they are like that. They will say, I will kill you. Nobody. Who they your farm? They will just use I. They say, nah, who can bring this the matter come out? This our sister don't really be person when he really get strong family. Who can carry the matter come out? Now some of the class is schoolmates. They say when she did secondary school, whether now said now she they control their class, what they call them prefect or be, I don't know what they call them again. They say she did very, very clever and very nice. Then they call carry and come out for social media now say, make their voice for them. Please, my people, if you come across this my video, I will still post them for my Facebook. If you come across this video, please share it. If not be even my own, share it to other people so that may get to our authority, our Nigeria. That is our police, our security hands. If you too shout for here now for this house one day, they will call Koti come say they don't know why you they shout. Now a whole person when they come to beat the person, nobody call police, nobody know say they keep person. My people, neighbor, what you not do now? Now so they not here. See children. They say this lady, she get 5 children. She just close her, leave those children. Baba, why I choose this news? Why I choose them? Yes, I need to blast them. Please, my beautiful people, if you get Facebook page, if you get Instagram, if you get anything, you know how to collect this my video. Go talk am for your channel. Go talk am for your YouTube. Go talk am for your Facebook. Go talk am for your Instagram. So that our police, they go get to know this. Something happen. They say the man does the waka freely. Nobody accuse her. Nobody hold her. They say just the waka. Now I make the friends. Now friends. Hey. See, they know do me. Don't do any other person. See, they know do you. The children, they suffer. It's good. What is good for his side? It's not good. Close her eye. Children, when you beg for, say, give me money, I take buy bread when she dey alive. She not there alive now. Who will come to buy those children bread? Then for me, what do you not think? Now, if you say that man head is correct, I not fit. Whether that man head not correct, or the man not send her. The man not send her. The man not send her. Maybe some women, they force themselves into marriage. Yes. Marry man when he send you. Marry man when he love high pass your own. Not be say you no love him. At least let man love high pass your own love. Yes. Because if you force yourself give man, it's not good. I don't know whether this our sister force herself give man, but it's so painful. Say, husband, woman, when you go marry for a papa house, you just use your hand take by your own wife. Not be say if you meet her for cheating, you do not get right to take someone's life. Talk of, she even beg you, say, bring money, make they say buy bread. Then you not still bring the money, oh. Now she still strong, will bring the money. Then you just buy am. My women, my lady, hey, if you get children, let your children come first. Mama no dey sweet mother. I no go forget you for the suffer when you suffer for me. Yeah, yeah. If mama no dey, children too dey suffer. I know why. If you, they few when they don't dey suffer. For that, open your eye. Live your life for your children. Yes, I know why they talk am. As far as you get small, small children, live your life for them. If your husband, you don't dey see that a red flag, nobody that they call am kawa. Because if you die, you know if you come back again. Except God say no, it cannot be possible. You go reach there, he go throw you back. I use God beg you now. May her soul rest in peace. He pay me. Oh. I need to still talk. If now have 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 people, or 5 people, 50 people, how many people when they my community, when they follow me, they see this thing, they discuss am with their friend, or they know police when you go fit handle this case. I beg for Nigeria. Make she get justice. She don't already die, but make she get justice. At least our leaders in where it be so for Anambra, may una look into these children. Man, when fit buy her in your wife, what do you want to do for children? You don't get anything when you go fit do. Children affair, women affair, children affair, big children. May una look into these 5 children. May una carry them. May una take care of them. This papa is quite something wine out. Yes. If you want to marry another woman, you said you know come on. If you go marry another woman, leave her with the children. Yes. If you leave her with the children, why this spy? You know, remember when you they toast her, when she go say, no, give me some time, I want to think about it. Hey, may I agree? You don't remember those things? You just spy her. I've been as she toast you. And the lady, she's beautiful. She's very beautiful. See, her children. The woman don't go rest. So. She not food anything. She don't rest. Be like sleep. She don't rest. Now the children, the loved ones when she leave, now they pain. She not, you know they pain her because she don't go rest. All the suffer. All the struggle. She don't go rest. She don't deal with our creator. Abi she dey sleep. Wherever she is now, she's resting. The children, they are not resting. The children, they are struggle. They are crying. The children, 5 years, they cry. Where is my mom? I know that always dey emotion once it come to small children. I don't know why this thing they do me. I always dey emotion. Yes. I mean, I drop her in the comment section. Why? I don't know. I know my dad reach. I don't be adult before my dad leave us. But I be the type when I go see something like this, I go always dey. The thing go wake me, go pull for my body. I dey imagine my children. I dey imagine myself. I dey imagine a lot will just dey come my head. Yes. I'll just dey emotion. Please, my beautiful people, now this one I get to talk. That her husband, she go face the law. If law they happen, if law there is law for that our country, or na person when get money, or na person when you know. My people, now this one I get to talk. If friends say me una beg, me una share me, I need to sit down and do this video. I'll blast them. Anybody when you get to run, please go talk am for your channel, go talk am for your community. May we try to share am so that may get to our authority hand, so that may they take action. May her soul rest in peace. If she dey come life again, if it is true, say woman dey come life, man no kill am again. He go jam man when he go love her, she go love. I know if he say make she now she go come deal with man. No, if can jam innocent guy when he don't know anything, 2 of them go love each other. Yes, if anything, the husband will shout, honey, wait, you know. At least he go they use tongue, hand, they do it body. Man no kill am again. If it is true, say that they come this life back again. Now my prayer be that a lot of yeah, so rest in peace. I dey wait my children. Yes, me I bath them. They're so close now. He pay me. Their friend when you bring and come and Antonia. Wow, God will bless you. You fight for your friend. This is real friend. He said, I have spoke to the village head. May I read this her friend news for? I say, I have spoke to the village head in Lagos. Okay, and the lawyer representing her family. It actually happened exactly the way the story works. Narrating as confirmed by the lawyer. Wow, she cried. The lawyer agreed to speak, to push. Hopefully, the story will be in Punch tomorrow. Wow. the story never have dey punch. They hope. Okay. Wow. Ogoshuku Anena was beat to death by, she left 5 children behind. My people, this her friend, God will bless her. Not all sisters, not all friends go do this one. She come outside and voice for her friend. Say the news go dey punch tomorrow. God will bless you, my beautiful sister. God will bless you. Now this one I get to talk. Okay, I'll see you in my next video.